Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Kazem Moidi, and in this video we are going to learn what is Flutter, and we are going to create amazing apps for ourselves and become full stack Flutter development. So in this video I'm going to talk about what is the container class. As you can see, container class is we can take a look at it as picture, simple picture, but shows a lot of things. Let me go to the coding and we will back for it. So what does container is? Container is a class that can be used for many stuff. For example, we can create circle, we can create triangles, squares, a lot of stuff, and we can use it for background. It has a lot of stuff called like borders, padding, margins, and many other APIs that some widget doesn't have. It can be used as div. We have same stuff called div in the web development or a box in the Android Compose development. It's same for both of them. If we'll go to the main class, let me go to the coding. It is related to the last videos. Let me remove some of my code in order to reduce complexity. So what this is simple project which doesn't have anything else, just a simple stateless widget and a scaffold and app bar and a widget that is centered. So I'm going to remove this text widget and replace it with a container. Container. What does container do? If I control S, there would be nothing over here because the container doesn't have anything else. But if I add a background color to it, we are going to have a nice, but okay, you can see that it take the whole screen because the size haven't been specified by devs, by me. If I created, for example, width, I will, for example, I'm going to take 300 pixel and height 300 pixel. Control S, as you can see, is a simple square that takes 300 pixel and 300 in height. So what does exactly this thing do? Because of this soft, like for example padding, we can use it to, for example, reduce the coding. For example, if I want to use padding, sometimes I need to create a widget called padding. It is like this. For example, if I want to use padding and wrap all the another widget over to padding. But if I want to use container, it's easier. I need to just call it edge insets. For example, all 50, for example, percent. Nothing has changed because it's padding. It's a space that it's in here, not outside of here. Let me add a child to it. For example, I'm going to child, create a child. I'm going to I am Kazem. Okay, that's enough. And you can see if I remove this padding from that, and you can see that it directly stick to the bottom left. And if I want to add it again, you can see there is padding from bottom, from top 50 pixel, and from left 50 pixel. And we have another option called margin, which actually is same as padding but complete opposite of it. If I want to add, for example, add it over here, lots 100, I think. You can see edge margins, it's a space outside of the container, but padding, it's a space inside the container. And that's what does this picture do actually. Okay, as you can see, padding is it is a border. Okay, padding, it's something inside this border, and the margin it's something outside of order. For example, if I add another item over here, it margin push it out of the screen. So you need to be careful with the margin. At some point it may cause some problems for with the items uh, distribution or placement. And that's it. And also we have borders, border decoration, for example, decoration, which taken decoration called decoration box decoration, for example, we're going to add. And this one I will use color, for example, colors dot blue. Okay. And because this thing has colors background, so in order to use the color inside the equation, we need to remove that and use the same one. And just use you need to use color inside the equation. After that, we can use box border, for example, border dot all, for example, color dot black. Okay, as you can see, we add the borders over here, and it's really simple to add. We can also do a lot of stuff like a stroke, line, style, width. We can use change the width of this border and many other things. It also has a lot of stuff about or radius or shadows, gradients, image, shape, and we can use any other stuff over in the container. It's a simple but useful widget in the Flutter development. I think that's enough for now. If you like my videos, please consider leaving a like or comment. And if you want to follow this video more, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.